Boys and girls, we're back again for some more addition word problems, and we're going to look today at this word problem, and I'm just going to read through it like I've done the past couple of days, and I want you to think about what you know. So I went ahead and set up my equation. I have my start, my change, and my result. I didn't fill in um, my symbol yet for if I'm doing addition or subtraction because I want to think through. So I want you to just listen to this. I want you to write down your thinking in your notebook, in your notes section about what you know for the start, the change, and the result to see what you're figuring out. So here's our word problem. It says Jessica baked some brownies on Monday. On Tuesday, she baked 42 cookies. Now she has 77 brownies and cookies. How many brownies did Jessica bake on Monday? So take a little bit of time and think through that. What do you know? What don't you know? What do you need to figure out? All right, boys and girls, you got about 30 seconds to figure that. Remember, if you're still unsure of it, you can pause it and then restart, and we'll talk through the rest together. But I want you to stop and think about what did you fill in. This is Miss Wilma's thinking behind this. So if I read through this word problem, it says Jessica baked some brownies on Monday. Well, I know she baked brownies, but I don't know how many brownies. All I know are that she baked some brownies. So I don't know how many brownies she started with, so I'm going to put a question mark in that start. Remember, that question mark is that symbol that represents what I don't know. It's the unknown to me. On Tuesday, she baked 42 cookies. Well, I know on the second day she baked 42 cookies. So she had 42 more cookies. So she added two. She had brownies and added more cookies to it. So I know I'm going to add with that. And then it says now she has 77 brownies and cookies. All right, so now she has a total of 77 brownies and cookies. So that is what I'm ending with. And I got to read, how many brownies did Jessica bake on Monday? That's what I want to figure out. And if I look at that, I see I don't know how many she baked on Monday. I know she added some more by baking some more cookies on Tuesday. And now she has a total of 77. So if I'm thinking about this, I want to rearrange this problem, if we remember, um, so that my unknown, my question mark, is at the end. Because right now, if I have question mark plus 42, I can't add or figure, I don't know what I'm adding to 42. So I need to be able to figure out with this question mark what I'm going to do with it. So I know that, again, if 77 is my result, that's my greatest amount that I want to have. I don't want to go any larger than that, so I'm not going to add. So I'm going to say 77 minus 42. Because this is what I ended with. It said she has 77 brownies and cookies now. So that's what I'm ending with. So I know I'm going to take away what I know she baked on Tuesday to figure out what she did on Monday. This is about those Mondays, right? This question mark. What did she bake on Monday? So I know that I'm going to set this up. I can use any of those strategies that we've done, the decomposing, part, whole, number line, base 10 numerals, whatever you want to do. I'm going to do the decomposing. So I know 77 is 70 plus 7, and 42 is 40 plus 2. And in this case, I'm going to take away. So I know if I have 7 ones and I take 2 away, I'm left with 5. And I know if I have 70 and I take 40 away, I'm left with 30. So that says 30 plus 5, and that equals 35. I'm going to use another strategy to check myself to make sure I'm correct on that. So I'm going to draw 77. Always double check 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. And then I'm going to take 2 tens away, or excuse me, 2 ones away. And then 40 is 4 tens, so 10, 20, 30, 40. And I see that I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3 tens. So I can see that when I did my drawing and my decomposing, they both matched up and gave me 35. So when I would answer how many brownies did Jessica bake on Monday, I would say Jessica baked 35 brownies on Monday. Now remember, you need to tell me this solution sentence so I know the answer to your question and I know what you figured it out to be. That's not just 35. You're telling me that it's 35 brownies that she baked on Monday. All right, go show me what you know. Use your strategies to help you solve these problems and be awesome problem solvers and great thinkers.